In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Progressive Insurance ID card. To get started, head over to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app. Once you're there, sign into your account using your login credentials. If you haven't set up online access yet, you'll need to register first using your policy information. This is an important first step because your insurance ID card is stored inside your account and linked to your active policy. After you've signed in, go to your account dashboard and look for your auto insurance policy. If you have more than one policy in your account, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one. This helps you avoid opening the wrong documents, especially if you manage multiple vehicles or different types of insurance in the same profile. Next, navigate to the section labeled Documents, Policy Documents, or Insurance ID Cards. The exact wording may vary a little depending on whether you're using the website or the mobile app, and it can also depend on how your account is laid out. This section is where Progressive stores important policy-related files, including your proof of insurance. Once you find that area, click or tap on Insurance ID card or Proof of Insurance to open the digital version of your card. When it appears on screen, take a moment to review the information carefully. You'll want to confirm that the policy number is listed correctly, that the vehicle information matches the car you're insuring, and that the effective dates are current. You should also check the named insured information to make sure everything is accurate. It's always a good idea to verify these details before relying on the card for official use. If you need to keep a copy for your records, look for an option such as Download or View PDF. This lets you save the ID card to your computer, tablet, or phone so you can access it later when needed. Saving a digital copy can be especially helpful if you need quick proof of insurance while traveling. You can also print a copy if you prefer to keep a paper version in your vehicle. In some areas, a printed card may still be useful or required, so having one on hand can save time and hassle. If you're unable to access your ID card online, or if you need another copy, contact Progressive customer service for assistance. They can help you access the document through your account or arrange for a replacement copy to be mailed to you. And that's how to view your Progressive Insurance ID card.